In this video, we'll show you how to turn off the screen time feature on your iPhone. So first open the settings app. Now scroll down and then tap on screen time. Here you will need to scroll down again and you will see this option that says turn off app and website activity. Simply tap here and then select turn off app and website activity again to confirm. Once you have done this, you will see that the screen time feature is disabled. If you want to re-enable it at any point, simply tap on this app and website activity option and then follow the on-screen prompts to enable the feature. If for some reason you don't see this option that says turn off app and website activity, simply go ahead and install any pending iOS update. So head to the settings app, go to general, go to software update and make sure there are no pending updates here. If there are, simply install them and you should see that option. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.